sure. Pulling in.
My homie said it's clean.
Thanks.
So you want the conversion?
For sure, I'm down. And he got his ride. With the halo tail lights. You can pull it in forward. Can you read aquí bonos? Yeah. That's good right there. Down like. Alright, we got the car up. We're gonna start taking this thing apart. Getting the headlights off, bumper off so we can get the grills off and the fog lights. This grill is gonna come off as well. We're gonna get the side skirts off, we're gonna get the mirrors off, door handles off. And then we are gonna be removing the trunk as well, because he is gonna be getting a TG Works trunk. Get the tail lights off, bumper off, weather strips off. Basically almost good to go. So let's get to it. All right, we got the whole car stripped and ready to go. Everything's off. Headlights, bumpers, door handles, mirrors, bumper stripped and taken apart. All the grills are out. IPL side skirts. And then hood, we are going to be leaving in carbon fiber. And we got everything, all the old wrap removed from the roof, because it used to be a different brand of black wrap. We got the handles, weather strips, gas cap, bumpers loose, ready to go. Tail lights, custom. Don't want to unplug all that because I don't want to mess up that wiring. But other than that, car's ready to start wrapping. Just need to clean it up, get it prepped and nice and clean, and we'll get started. All right, so currently doing the roof wrap right here for the car, and we got a special delivery right now. Yep, we got TG Works in the house. All right, so we got the TG Works G37 carbon fiber trunk, brand new, looking real nice. Look at that. So we're gonna be installing this at the end on this car.
Why?
So car is all wrapped and ready to go, but we're not done yet. Well, we still need to put it all back together, of course, as you guys could tell. We need to put the side skirts on, door handles back on, gas cap pack on, and on the trunk, we are going to be putting the TG Works trunk. Shout out to TG Works. We are going to be putting a diffuser that he brought along also. So we got TG Works trunk right here. And then we got this diffuser right here as well that we are going to be putting on. All right, so we just finished putting back Luxurious car. Oh, nice. You got super bright LEDs. Perfect for what we're about to do right now. We're going to be installing the GTR button. So we're going to be removing that and putting the GTR start button. So there's going to be a little how-to in this video as well, guys, so you guys can check that out. For the button right here, I use this super thin flathead. So I popped it in from the top first and just slid it down the side and then popped it out how it is right now. So it's pretty loose, good to go. So now I could just pop this off from the back, which hopefully you guys can see. You see that connection right here? Oh shoot, if I can get this out of the way. Come on. That, well, it's hard to see right now through the camera, but that little plug right here, that's what connects this. So I'm just gonna try to use the same screwdriver to unplug it from here, and then I'll be able to pop this right out. It's easier to disconnect this thing. This is just clipped on, so I unclipped it a little bit. You got this middle piece right here, which is this one. It just clips on as well. So unclip this, loosen it from here, and then you guys should be able, let's see if I can show you guys from here. See the connection right there. You see the plug? That thing right there. So that one right there in the middle, that's the one that you need to push to unplug it. So that's what we're going to be doing. Super easier way to do it like this. Just undo this section right here. Makes it so much easier than trying to fit a screwdriver through the side right here. So now we got the G37 one on. We're going to be putting this one in. So in order to take this protective ring around it, this chrome trim around it, you push down on this one right here. Focuses that piece right here. So you push down on this and at the same time on this one, and then it should roll back out. There we go. Stock G37. All right, so there we have it. Push to start is in from the GTR. Now all you gotta do is just plug it back in to that connection right there. Put it all back together and you guys should be good to go. All right, so we just finished putting back together the car. Everything is put on. Trunk, TG Works, shout out again. Thank you, Toxic G-Raw. Diffuser that he brought, installed, ready to go. We swapped out one of the bulbs that was faulty, so we fixed that. GTR button as well, good to go. There you have it, right there. The focuses. GTR button, good to go. Carbon fiber mirror caps as well, put on. Damn, that thing looks good now. Hell yeah. So the owner's gonna show up right now with my friend. They're gonna drive him over, and then we'll see his reaction to seeing his whole car changed. How you like it? How you like it? How you doing, bro? Huge change from what you remember, huh?
Bro, the shitty red from the roof was horrible. So glossy, the roof.
Yeah.
Diffuser and the trunk stands out like the best. And then there was it looked all ugly here.
Yeah.
That looks perfect. Ugh. But they were wrapping cars for like a good couple months and then they just disappeared. They never fixed my roof. They just completely fucked up my sunroof.
Yeah. It's good to go. You got the carbon fiber mirror caps now on too.
I ordered coils. I should be getting here like next week.
Nice.
Yeah. But now I was gonna ask you if you
Yeah.
still...
There you go. With the sunroof popped up and everything.
Fuck, that's what it's doing now.
Yeah, that trunk looks so much more aggressive.
Yeah, the fucking truck. Sick as fuck. I'll do a video for it once. I'm taking my custom headlights and the coils and the...
Alright, so there we have it, guys. He's gonna take off in a little bit. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.